In this video, we will be discussing about JotForm. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here and you can search for JotForm. Here we go. Install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. So now we will be just choosing our specific sub account, that is was test. If you want to choose them all, it will be also giving you the option to enable automatic future installation as well. But right now, we will be just choosing this one, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. We will be moving forward towards our sub account and just configuring it. As you can see from here as well, it is installed. Find for the sub account. Here we are on our sub account level now, and we have to configure our JotForm account. From here, you can find for the app configuration, and you can just find for JotForm. Let's get it installed and configured. Now we are here, we have to just find for the API key. To do that, so we have to create an account for JotForm, and from the settings you can find for the API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are on our JotForm account. As you can see, I have already settled the JotForm account, and in the settings from here, you can just find for the settings, and from here in the navigation bar, you can find for the API key. Just generate a new API key, and you can just find for that, copy paste and get your JotForm configured. After copy pasting, you can just submit, and as you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now moving forward towards the next step, that is find for the automations from here. As I have already made a folder for the workflows, and one by one, I will be just showing you how the actions do work and what will be their use cases in different scenarios. Let's just choose the create form one. As you can see, we have already created a workflow right now. In the first place, we have just set a trigger, create contact, and after that we used create form from the JotForm, and just after that we can just create these scenarios. In this scenario, we have just chosen a saloon, and a client wants to just get their hair colored in blonde. So we have just entered the value. From here you can see the questions required. You can just allow with the details as well, the question size, other things as well with that, the email type, the email name, email from, email to, the email subject as well. After saving this action, you can just add some notes with that. We have added this from the custom values, the content ID, and after that it will be sent to the same contact as well. In the end, we have entered two different conditions, if and else. If the client wants to get it done, there will be an internal notification sent to them, and above from these details, the client will be notified and the saloon will also be ready to do that. So after saving the whole, we can just test with any of our contact and run this test. Head towards the execution logs now. As you can see, the form is executed successfully now with the notes, with the hair color condition as well, with the internal notification as well. Now check on the notes, what's inside it. Now here we are on our sub account level again, and we will be finding for the notes on that specific contact we have sent the notes. As you can see, Then the notifications has been sent as well. Now let's move on for the other action as well. In this workflow, we have settled a trigger for customer booked appointment. After booking the appointment, a submission will be sent to them, and the create submission action has been used in this workflow. You can just choose the form ID from here in the drop down, and after that you will be just choosing the text from here. And after saving this one, you will be creating some notes as well for the form submission. So we have used the custom values to just get this data from here. JotForm, I'm sorry. And from here, I have chosen this one. After saving this one, we will be testing this again from here and run this test. As you can see, this action has been executed successfully now with the notes. Now let's move forward towards the another action, that is add question to the form. Now back to the workflow builder. As you can see, the workflow has been created already by me, and we have settled a trigger for form submission, and after that we will be adding the question to the form. From the drop down, you can just find for the form ID, the question type according to your needs. And in this condition, the client wants to get a free haircut. Is the offer still valid for that or not? You can just set the question order as well and the question name as well. After that, we have added the notes. Same again, from the custom values, the customer wants to add some service. We have added a condition from here as well. And if the conditions are valid, we will be sending the internal notifications to the salon, and they will be notified that they want a free haircut as well. Save this action. And if not applied with the condition, an internal email will be sent to the client that we can offer something else to you. We have added the custom values from here, the email, the subject of the email, and after that we have written the email like this, that we can offer something else to you if you can just please visit the salon tomorrow. Save this all, select contact and run this test. Head towards the execution logs now. And as you can see, the question to the form has been added as well. Now will be showing you with the form created in the JotForm, the question added in the form, and the submission as well in JotForm, that how the automation works and all the actions available right now. JotForm can provide you with that. For example, we will be seeing how many actions are available in JotForm. As you can see, you can just create submission, you can just create form, you can add question to the form. You can get form, you can get submission by using the custom values, you can delete the submissions by using the custom values according to your needs, and the uses will be endless, the possibilities will be endless there in your mind. Now let's move forward towards the JotForm account and let's see what results have they given to us. Here we are in our JotForm account. As you can see, the form has been created and the question has been also added here. And from here, the submission has been also sent to the saloon as well. So this is how it works. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.